So here we are on the 7th floor heading to unit 713. Check out these long hallways. I mean, this really is a large residential apartment building. So let's head down to unit 713. Hello. All right, guys, unit 713. All right, guys, welcome in, welcome in. We're here on the 7th floor at this 1-bedroom apartment where we have the dark cabinetry, GE appliances. We have an electric stove, oven. We have the refrigerator freezer combination and the microwave with the white countertops. We have a large L-shaped counter here with enough bar space for at least 4 to 5 people. And you see we have the open concept living, dining space. So before we get to that, let's go around here to the right and show you this full bathroom. Check out this bathroom. It has a lot of space for your linens. It has a large soaking tub with the shower combination. And I love this mirror with the natural light. So let's come back out and see about this washer and dryer combination in here. So how do we open this part? So there's some type of locking system on there for now, but it does come with the GE washer and dryer. Coming back out, let's check out this bedroom. So it does have a large walk-in shower with drawers and shelving. Check out this custom closet, sturdy hanging. So guys, you'll have ample space to put your clothing. Check out the views from this 1-bedroom. You're overlooking the pool area from the bedroom and the parking garage, as well as views of the Austin skyline. So this is a lower floor plan here on the 7th floor. So not too bad a view, but you're not going to be looking down over many of the buildings. So you are as well looking over the dog park. So let's head out to this patio. This is a really large patio. So you are able to see some of the great views of the Austin skyline, overlooking the amenities, but still looking up at buildings. So let's head back in. So what I'll have you guys notice is there are the bare concrete floors and ceiling. So this is a really modern style of apartment. And you do have the accent lights. So let me turn this on really quick and show you what these are for. So if you have artwork on the wall, you can kind of point them in the direction that you want to highlight the artwork that you are going to have on display in this beautiful unit. So, what do you guys think about this 1-bedroom here on the 7th floor overlooking Silicon Labs? So, before we head on up, I want you guys to take a guess about the price point for this 1-bedroom apartment on the 7th floor, and then we're going to head up to the 10th floor and show you what this unit looks like as well. All right, guys, welcome into this 10th floor apartment here at the AMLI on 2nd. As you saw previously, we are in such a beautiful building. I mean, look at these dark cabinets here. We have the GE appliances, we have the microwave, we have the electric stovetop, the oven, we have the refrigerator and freezer, as well as the dishwasher. And check out these white cabinet tops. So let me get some of these lights on for you guys so you can just see how beautiful this kitchen setup is. It has plenty of space here to invite your friends over, have food. Check out all that bar space on this L-shaped counter. So let's head on in and check out this dining space here. Let's get some of these lights on. This dining space is huge combined with the living space, right? And I know you guys are super excited to see what this view is here because we are on the 10th floor. So you do have some views of the Lake Travis, right? So check out these views. Still looking or overlooking the pool, the dog park, right? Silicon Labs, some of Guadalupe and 2nd. So before we get to the balcony, which is huge, let's take a look at this restroom. So this is a very large restroom here. Again, check out all this space for your linens, the deep soaking tub, shower combination. I mean, wow. And check out the natural light from this mirror, along with plenty of cabinet space for all of your toiletries. So guys, the units do come with the GE washer and dryer. So check those out. They look brand new. So no heading out on those hot or cold days if you want to freshen up some of those clothes. Heading in to the bedroom. Check out the views of the balcony and the city from your room. Just wow. Check out this concrete ceiling. And let's head on in to this closet. I mean, this is a large walk-in closet. Does come with the custom drawers, cabinets, and these extremely sturdy racks for hanging all of your clothing. And now let's head back out to the balcony, which guys, I really think is the focal point of this apartment. Check out this beautiful view of Austin, Texas. Wow. So guys, I hope that you are still enjoying this tour here at the AMLI on 2nd. All of these beautiful views of the city. And now we're going to head down and do our best to check out some of these amenities. So let's go. So we are heading to the sky deck entrance. All right. All right, guys, so just heading out now. You can see that this pool area has so many different sections for conducting meetings, for relaxing. So as you see, the 2 units that we just toured were over in this corner. So you see down this way we have the dog park, little meeting sections. So if you are just wanting to take a quick break and get some sunlight, you can do that. If you're eating outside, having a nice dinner, you can do that. So check out this dog park and the views. So then we're gonna head down to the other side before we enter the pool area. Here are some more lounging areas, fire pits, and grills. So check out this covered area here. I mean, providing some good shade. It's really hot today. It's in the 90s Fahrenheit. Alright, so this is a great place to come and sit, work outside. Here are the views of the building. Now let's head on over to the pool area and check out some of these amenities. Alright guys, so here is the pool. It does have a few cabanas. So if you are inviting friends over, you can use the cabana to relax. So let's head on over to check out the gym and the clubhouse. So this is what is called the strong room, right? So the strong room here has all types of equipment. We see here we have the true treadmills. We have the Smith bar over here for free weights. We have the pulley system here from hoist. You can do back here. We have the Les Mills bicycle. We have the true Stairmaster ellipticals, abs, more ellipticals, and free weights over here. So this does save you time and energy. If you are someone that works out often, you can save time by working out right at home and not having a gym membership. So in a way, it does have the potential to save you money if this is equipment that meets your exercise needs. So next, we're going to head over to the club room. So let's check it out. All right, guys, so check out this club room. I mean, they really have it decorated so nicely. This could be an excellent studio apartment. I would take this here, especially with the views right outside to the pool. So coming right in, I mean, check out the size of this island. So So it looks like 3, 6, 7, 8, 10 people would be able to sit comfortably here. Check out the wood cabinetry with the Bosch holders for food, keeping it warm. You do have an electric stove top here with the convection system. I believe this might be the refrigerator. It's hiding in there. Yes, Fisher and Paykel. So there's a nice refrigerator and freezer system here that blends right into the cabinets. Massive table here for all of your friends and family if you are going to be enjoying a meal. Overlooking the parking lot here. The uncovered spaces because it does have underground parking. And check out this living area. It's a lounging area here for you, your family, and friends with the big screen TV. This would be great to rent for a football game. So let me know what you guys think about this clubhouse room. I mean, it really is beautiful here at the AMLI on 2nd. And I would encourage you, if this is something that's in your budget, you should definitely come and do a tour with Tour 24 and see if this could be your new residence for 12 months, for 18 months, because these are rentals, right? And there are comparable units for purchase in the area. So maybe we'll tour some of those next. Again, hopefully you guys enjoyed this tour, and until next time, peace.